Good day, students. Welcome to Term 1, Week 6 of JSS 1 Mathematics. Today we begin our study of fractions, one of the most important and most examined topics in all of junior secondary mathematics. A fraction represents a part of a whole. You encounter fractions every day in Nigeria. When your mother cuts a loaf of bread into 8 slices and you take 2, you have taken 2/8 of the loaf. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a fraction and identify its parts, identify proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers, find equivalent fractions, and simplify fractions to their lowest terms. Let us begin. A fraction is a number that represents part of a whole or part of a group. A fraction is written as one number over another, separated by a line called the fraction bar or vinculum. The number above the bar is called the numerator. It tells you how many parts you have. The number below the bar is called the denominator. It tells you how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, if a pineapple is cut into 4 equal pieces and you take 3 pieces, you have 3/4 of the pineapple. 3 is the numerator, 3 pieces taken. 4 is the denominator, 4 equal pieces in all. An important rule: the denominator of a fraction can never be 0. Dividing by 0 is undefined in mathematics. Equivalent fractions are fractions that look different but represent the same amount. 1/2 equals 2/4 equals 3/6. They all represent exactly the same portion of a whole. You create equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. To simplify a fraction, also called reducing it to lowest terms, divide both numerator and denominator by their highest common factor. The simplified fraction is called the fraction in its simplest form or lowest terms. Fractions come in 3 main types. You must recognize each type instantly for examinations. Type 1, proper fractions. A proper fraction has a numerator smaller than its denominator. Its value is always between 0 and 1. Examples: 1/2, 3/4, 5/7, 11/12. In Nigerian cooking, a recipe might call for 3/4 of a cup of groundnut oil. 3/4 is a proper fraction. Type 2, improper fractions. An improper fraction has a numerator greater than or equal to its denominator. Its value is 1 or greater. Examples: 7/3, 9/4, 15/5. When you eat more than one full item, you have consumed an improper fraction's worth. 5/3 means more than one whole, it is 1 and 2/3. Type 3, mixed numbers. A mixed number combines a whole number part and a proper fraction part. Examples: 2 and 1/2, 3 and 3/4, 5 and 2/3. Mixed numbers and improper fractions represent the same amounts. You can convert between them. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient is the whole number part. The remainder becomes the new numerator over the original denominator. Example: 11/4. 11 divided by 4 equals 2, remainder 3. So 11/4 equals 2 and 3/4. To convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, multiply the whole number by the denominator, add the numerator, and place the result over the original denominator. Example: 3 and 2/5. 3 times 5 equals 15, 15 plus 2 equals 17. Result: 17/5. Let us practice 3 examination questions. Example 1, simplify 18/24. Find the HCF of 18 and 24. Factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. HCF equals 6. Divide both by 6, 18 divided by 6 equals 3, 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Answer: 3/4. Example 2, find a fraction equivalent to 2/3 with denominator 12. We need to multiply the denominator 3 by 4 to get 12. So we multiply the numerator 2 by 4 also. 2 times 4 equals 8, 3 times 4 equals 12. Answer: 8/12. Check, 8 divided by 12 simplifies to 2/3. Correct. Example 3, convert 2 and 4/7 to an improper fraction. Multiply whole number by denominator, 2 times 7 equals 14. Add numerator, 14 plus 4 equals 18. Place over denominator, 18/7. Answer, 18/7. 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Adding numerators and denominators separately when finding equivalent fractions. 1/2 does not equal 2/4 by adding 1 to each, you must multiply both parts by the same number. Mistake 2. Confusing numerator and denominator. Remember, numerator is up, denominator is down, n comes before D in the alphabet, just as the numerator sits above the denominator. Mistake 3. Saying a fraction with numerator equal to denominator, like 5/5, is improper but not equal to 1. 5/5 equals exactly 1 whole. Excellent work. Let us summarize. A fraction has a numerator on top and denominator below, the denominator can never be 0. Proper fraction, numerator less than denominator, value between 0 and 1. Improper fraction, numerator greater than or equal to denominator. Mixed number, whole number plus proper fraction. Equivalent fractions, multiply or divide both parts by the same number. Simplify, divide both parts by their HCF. For homework, convert these to mixed numbers, 13/4, 22/7. Convert these to improper fractions, 4 and 1/3, 6 and 5/8. Simplify, 36, 48 60th. Attempt a quiz on your LMS. Keep studying hard. Visit LightTech Academy at academy.lightech.com.ng for more NERDC-approved lessons from JSS 1 to SS3. Powered by LightTech Solutions Limited. Until next time.